Hello everyone, I am Uncle Tony. Today, we're creating the golden hoop, a key item from the game Black Myth, Wukong. It's also known by various names like the golden headband, golden crown, or simply the golden hoop. Honestly, I'm not entirely sure how to best translate it, but these names all refer to the same iconic piece. Wukong, whose full name is Sun Wukong, is a character from a renowned Chinese classic novel, Journey to the West. This fantastical tale chronicles an epic journey to the Western heaven to retrieve sacred Buddhist sutras. The story centers on a monk named Xuanzang and his 4 disciples, Sun Wukong, Zhu Baji, Shuo Wujing, and Yulong Santaizi. Throughout their journey, these 4 loyal disciples must protect their master from numerous monsters and disasters. After enduring 81 trials and tribulations, they finally reach their destination. The most authoritative version of this novel was written by Wu Chengyan in his later years and was published in 1592. I've looked into many methods, but they all seem quite complex. I want to find a simple way for everyone to make Wukong's golden hoop at home. This tutorial will be very straightforward, so I'm confident you can easily make one too. Let's go! Firstly, we need to get a wire like this one, which is easy to find. You can often spot it in gardening shops, where it's used to shape plants. I used a 5mm wire with a PVC coating, which makes it easier to color later on. If you choose a different size, that's perfectly fine too. Using your head circumference as a guide, we shape the wire into this form. Next, we use pliers to bend the wire into the shape of a golden hoop. Once it's finished, it should look like this. After you glued all the lotus, we can start coloring. I used the metallic color of gold. We use EVA boards to create the lotus flowers, and I choose 1mm foam. Cut the foam into petal shapes and attach them with glue. Since we need 4 sets, we'll need to make 4 groups of petals. Before we start drawing, let's explore some concepts. Here, we have an auspicious cloud pattern, symbolizing good luck and happiness. We also have a water ripple pattern, representing the idea that all rivers flow into the sea, emphasizing the importance of not being confined to a single style. Then, we used puffy paint to add patterns. If you don't have puffy paint, you can use other types of pigments or even oil paint. If you're unsure about how to paint, check out my video How to DIY Moon Night Crescent Dart for guidance. To enhance realism, apply black to create an aged effect. I used a very simple method to create Wukong's golden hoop, so it is not very perfect. If 3D printing or metal carving is used, it should be made much better. I think you can also make one at home and you will definitely do better than me. If you have good suggestions and improvement plans, please feel free to leave a message below for discussion. Your good ideas will make me do better. If you like my channel, welcome to follow, subscribe, share and repost. I am Uncle T. See you next time.